T.F.D back here. It's been more than 2 weeks, maybe 2.5 weeks since I last parked my Firebird. Ran out of gas up there, pushed it here, and covered it up, went to Florida and everything. So just before I took a couple of things off and I remembered, oh, why don't I just record on my iPhone 8 Plus? Does that sound like a good idea? Oh, it's been sitting here for so long. And it ran out of gas before. Yeah, see, it's been sitting here so long the grass died. Holy crap. Okay, you wanna help me take it off? Hold on. Yeah, pull. Keep pulling. Okay, stop. Okay, go ahead. Okay, she's, oh, Lord. The grass is dead underneath it. The grass is dead. Oh my gosh, it's been sitting here for so long that the grass died underneath it. I locked it last time I was out. Oh, whoops, wrong key. Okay, let's see if we get anything. Woo! It's hot in here. Whew. Whew. Hot and humid. Oh my gosh, it still has battery. She don't like that. You want to go get the gas out of the van? Hurry. Come on, hurry, please. Thanks. Okay, I know I didn't put much gas in it last time, so this will be interesting. She's not running right on that old gas. I pulled out of the Cedo. This is that old gas. It was only emergency fuel. Come on, come on, come on, come on. So weird. Nope. So that's some gas left. Oh yeah, she's smoking all right. really bad. There's a dead what? Oh, yeah. Let's see, what's it idling at? Yeah. Wow, it's smoking really bad. Go ahead and pop the hood. Don't rev it. It needs to warm up. I'm gonna give her a rev. It's gonna sound like crap though. Oh, actually, record this in a couple. Oh my god! Woo! Oh, is it showing up on camera? Oh my god, go closer. Woo! Wow. That's nuts. That's bad. That just goes to show you it's been a while since it's been started. Okay. Drive it real quick and I'm gonna park it and cut the rest of the grass. Okay, get in. You want in? Okay. Okay. Let's roll down these windows. Oh gee, looks like the heat's kind of got the... Okay, let's wash the windshields.
Yeah, that's nasty.
Come on. Believe it or not, everything still works. There we go. Okay, that's that. This is T.F.D. signing off. Don't forget to give it a like. And we'll see all you in the next video.
Yeah.
that out. Alright, so I'm probably just going to add this on to the video. This is what's underneath that rust spot right there. I'm going to have to cut a little bit lower. Okay. Hold on. Here you go, Nicholas. Well, you can take a look. Hold on. Looks like I'm gonna have to do some welding since I kind of got into the main body work right there. Need to weld across there and there. But that's not too bad so far. I'm gonna go get the sweeper and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with you guys for the last time, maybe, I don't know. I tried getting this trim piece off, and I don't know, it's kind of held up in there. I'm just gonna have to replace the trim piece, also window trim piece. I'm not so sure about this piece right here, because when we were taking it off, it ripped right there. So it might just have, that's gonna have to be replaced too, also, I think. This thing's got some funky, here's the interior trim piece. It was missing all the tabs right here. That one was broken, that one was there. So, that was the outside piece. And here's the inside. That was underneath of it. So, yeah, we're just getting started with all of it. That's crazy. Sheet's getting really worn now. And that's just disappointing. Look how many miles it has on it right now. That's just... At least I sort of got this fixed. I got it sealed off with silicone. Wipers and everything. That's gonna be next. And then we're gonna need some tires, because where's those dry rod? Yeah, see, there's the rot. And check that out. Woo! I was doing a burnout in that. Oh, God Lord. This car's a wreck. Check these out. It was rusting for so long. It's going down there. That needs to be replaced. I mean, pretty much everything needs to be replaced, you know. Almost everything, though. Not everything, but most things. Check out these wheel caps. Well, these I can't find any that are similar with the red Pontiac in the middle. And how I was saying, this is aluminum finished, whatever, I forget. But these need to be replaced. I think it'll probably cost me $20, $30, maybe 20 bucks for all new wheel caps. While I'm at it, I'm gonna show you guys the code, the cow code or whatever for this car, because I know you guys pointed it out to me. Here's the code. AR9, WS4. See if you can help me with this. I know it's WS4 whatever. Some codes mean combination colors and whatever. But you have the numbers here. Forget what the AR9 is supposed to mean. I forget. But everything's holding up pretty good. Oh wow. Alternator's already starting to corrode. Golly. Yeah, it's a shame. This needs to be taken out, painted black. That needs to be taken out, painted black. Along with the brake booster. AC needs to get working. It's gonna do that this summer, but golly, it's hot out here. I really need AC. And converting it over to R134A, that's gonna be it's gonna be a chore. Excuse me. Check out that rust right there. It's a shame. Alright. This is T.F.D. signing off for the last time. Sorry about whatever. I don't know if I'm going to include all the videos here. But please just drop us a like. And I need your guys' help on my car. I'm not asking for donations because I can't set it up unless I have over 1,000 subscribers. So if you could just comment below and tell me or help me figure out what in the world is about this trim piece, and also what I need to get for the special pattern blue piece. And you can see that's kind of gone too. So, alright, this is T.F.D. signing off.